Alright, we're up here with the flow hive. This is one of my favorite ones. I own a couple flow hives. And this is a great producer. We're going to go in here and check a window and see how we're doing. So we're not completely capped over quite yet. Looks like they're working away, which is good. They are going to get a hive inspection soon here. And we got a super lifter, so it's going to make this whole process nice. Hey, we've got a few empty frames here from the last harvest, and a couple that are full. So that's good. I can tell that this one here is completely capped over. I can tell it's completely full. We might draw from that tomorrow, we'll see. So we're gonna check the other window just to kind of see where we're at. Oh wow, this side is completely capped over, so we might take from this side as well, which is the end one. So that looks really good. So all in all, pretty good.